Welcome to Ann Evolving. It's 4th of July weekend. I hope everybody's having a great time. Hope you have something fun planned. Today, I am talking a little bit about how I self-tan to feel festive and summery and youthful. I always feel a little bit healthier, like I have a glow about me when I have a little color. I have found that my skin has started looking, I think the word is sallow, just kind of gray and yellow and dull. I love to self-tan, and it's part of my routine on the weekend in the summertime. One of the things I found that I really love is this Jergens Natural Glow Firming Daily Moisturizer, medium to deep skin tones. I'm very fair, but I use this because it gives a nice color to my skin. I actually love the smell. I know some tanning lotions are offensive, but when I wear this, it's almost like, this is ridiculous, but it almost is like a fragrance. I love this. I use this and then I put on all my Sol de Janeiro, all my potions and such. I love this line and my hair oil. And I feel like I just smell like a sun goddess, at least to myself I do. And so that's part of it, is just feeling good and summery and enjoying the summer and feeling like you're able to go out in the sun, but I'm not, because I have, it's just not good for you. But I also did that when I was younger, and I've had different spots removed on my face. And now I'm just trying to stay ahead of the whole skin cancer, basal cell issue. So this is great. I love this. The other thing I use are the Saint-Tropez Self-Tan. This is a face mist, and I can put this on. I don't love the smell of this, but it does help give a little tan glow to my face. It says revive your complexion to a golden glow. I'll just spritz this onto my face before I put on makeup. I don't usually do this on the weekend, and maybe once during the week. This is something I do on the weekend during the summer. And I love the way it takes my legs from paper white to, a little golden tan looking. I just really enjoy it. A lot of people use a mitt, but I'll give you a tip. I use like surgical gloves, like that I cut up meat with. And I just put those on. And I start and I do the bottom parts of my legs first. That way, when I put my leg up on the counter or I bend down to rub that in, it doesn't get all over me from having done my thighs first. So I'll start with the feet, and then the calves and the knees, and then I'll do the thighs. And then I'll do this part up here, and then my arms. And then I'll take off the gloves and I'll do the backs of my hands, kind of like this, and just rub them all together and rub them in. And then I will wash the palms of my hands off. So this is from today. So as you can see, I don't have any, color left on my hands. And I just think it's a good trick. And you can get those gloves at Amazon, 100 in a box, and doing that every week. It's super simple. I have used a mitt before, but I found that having to wash it, I just didn't like it. And I didn't like the idea of it going in with the other clothes. And when I tried washing it in the sink, I couldn't get off all the color. So the surgical gloves or the sterile gloves, whatever they are, they work very well for me. So those are two things that I'm really loving this summer.